Back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter or X login error. There are going to be few ways to actually fix this issue. So one of those ways is ensuring that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes having a faulty or a slow internet connection can affect the login for your Twitter account or X account. In this case, ensure that you have a stable internet connection or switch over to a different network. For example, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile data, or if you are using a mobile data, go ahead and switch over to a Wi-Fi connection. Now from here, if that doesn't work and you are sure that you have a stable internet connection, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of app itself. In this case, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search for the X. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. Once the update is complete, you can go ahead and open up the X and see if that solves the issue or not. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your cache in your mobile app. In this case, press and hold on this X, go to app info, and when we are here, tap on this clear data, and from here tap on this clear all data, or in this case tap on this clear cache and click on OK. Now once you tap on this clear cache, it will clear your cache, which in this case you can just go ahead and open up your app and see if that solves the issue. Alternatively, if you are really unable to update or you are unable to log into your account, you could try using clear all data option here, but in this case that would actually clear all the data that includes your login information within the app itself. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.